So I was a big believer in visualization. Quick little insight. I visualized when I was in high school, I wanted to break the American record in the 50 free. I wanted to go 21-7. And I would put stick-it notes all over the place. You open the refrigerator, there's a note. You know, you go in the mirror, brush your teeth, there's a note inside my locker. And I would visualize every single night. I would go to, and right before I'd go to sleep, I'd lay in bed and I'd close my eyes and I would think about, like, what would it smell like? What would it look like? What would it taste like? What would it sound like? And I would run through all the races, and every single time I went 21-7. At the end of the day, March 21st, I went 21-7-7. For the Olympics, I kept visualizing that I was going to walk away a multiple gold medal winner. I didn't know what races, but in order to keep my tank, I would visualize myself having to swim all the events in one day. And again, how did it feel? It was awful. What did it sound like? It sounded like my head going, oh my gosh, you're so tired, and me saying, no, you're not. So visualization, and Nick, I know you're a big one on this one too. Visualization for me, even to this day, is something I believe in. So if you're out there, right, and you've got a big presentation, you've got a big conference, my suggestion to you is to make sure you're as prepared as possible, right? But then right before you go to sleep, picture yourself being announced. Picture yourself walking onto the stage. What does the microphone feel like? Is it heavy? Is it light? Is it a lavalier? Like, what does the crowd look like? Picture some people out there. Picture yourself giving your speech, killing it, walking off the stage and just being like, yes, that's going to win you that gold medal.